What's happening, ladies and gents? We're going to really late start because it's pitch black on today's video, mainly because I've just got nothing else really to do. But I haven't done any updates, and I need to show you this. We're installing the CUSCO Strut TIR braces in the Pulsar, and we finished the driveway. So I thought I would show you that as well. I was also letting Jasper out. There he goes. And I need to convince him not to urinate on my cars, which has been a source of frustration recently. So don't pee on them, Jasper, buddy. So I'm going to be working on the Pulsar in the dark, but also not in the dark because I'm going to get some lights out. I'm going to just do the front one first, and then I'll probably do the rears tomorrow, I think. So let's go grab some tools, pop the bonnet, and let's go. Parts, parts, parts. And light. So front one, I'm going to grab that. I do have some zinc bolts actually in the car, which we might use on this. So we'll see. The zinc bolts would be better, but let's just grab this. Like I said, we'll do the rear one tomorrow because I don't really want to mess around with that yet. Can't really be bothered with that. So grab the front one, grab some tools, and just get set up. It's really awesome light, which is magnetic. There you go. We can see exactly what we're doing. Can't we, buddy? Good boy. Do you like the new driveway? Driveway's alright, guys. We'll show you more of this tomorrow in the light. So, pretty standard stuff. Take them off. Put that on. Swap it for zinc nuts. Right, so I just had to pause the video to do a Google search to figure out where this actually goes. Apparently it does sit that way. Apparently. I'm going to have another Google search to just double check. That doesn't seem right. Seems like it would bash on here a little bit too much. There's very, very small clearance there. There's barely any clearance. So I'm just going to double check, but it would make sense because this is... You'd be able to read that then. That's very... There's no clearance. Unless it's going to sit underneath it. Probably sit underneath it. Let's just double check. Right. Got it semi-installed. That back plastic, pain in the arse. There's this weird... This is a pain in the arse. I'm going to have to sort this out because that won't go on there anyway. So I'm going to have to fix that. This weird thing. I'm not overly sure what this is. It's a box for something. I don't know what it is. Definitely in the way. It's on a bracket. I had to pry it up. But bonus, did find some zinc nuts, which are great. So we'll be putting them on. I just need to tighten that up. Make sure it's down, seated properly. And then just catch up with you in a moment. Well, that was the biggest load of bollocks ever. Jesus. That's a 24. Wow. Where did I bring out the big boy? Anyway, we've got zinc nuts on here, which I'm pretty happy with. Quite happy with that. They're 13mm now, which is a bit weird. But they're good. They look nice. It's cool. It looks good. I mean, this isn't like a tutorial. This is just me hanging out. Doing a bit of car stuff because I'm a bit bored and I needed to do it. So I need to sort that out. That looks like garbage now. I'm pretty certain we could just pop this out and zip tie it down there somewhere. Do you have a CUSCO sticker in there somewhere? I don't know where that goes on here. We'll just like put it there. But anyway, that's done for now. Link up with you guys tomorrow morning. Well, we'll finish up putting the strut brace on, we'll do the rears, and then maybe we'll take it out for a little bit as well. Jasper is hanging out and helping, as always. So yeah, see you tomorrow. Right, ladies and gents, morning. We're back. We're back. So we're gonna do continuing the video, obviously, we're gonna do the rear strut now. And I just want to show you the garden as well, like the driveway part. I'm quite happy with it. It's a little bit, it is really tight to get in and out of it. But you know, here it is in daylight. You can kind of see what we're working with here. The gate is the major issue. I don't really want to do any major improvements yet by like removing that wall and moving the gate and things like that. I don't want to do any of that crap. This works. I don't think it's going to work until I get, you know, when I get my truck back. I think when I get my truck back, this is not going to be that great. I'm not going to lie, but it's good for now. I think if I move my bins over there, over here, create like a bin store, then I could drive one in and then one in up here. That might be a bit easier when I get the truck back. But it's fine for now. Anyway, let's get a rear strut race. Right, so I reckon what we need to do is probably actually take this off because it's under here somewhere. I do actually have another one of these on the way, which doesn't have all these speakers built in, which is good because I don't want the speakers. Not interested. My rude boy. Not interested in any of that. These are crap. Garbage speakers. No one cares. But we'll still put it down nicely for now because I don't have the other one yet. And it should be. Yeah, in here. Get you a different view. So the struts are under here. I just need to pop this off. I don't think it's bolted in. Yeah, there you go. Cool. And then it's going to come across the rear there. So let's time lapse it and go from there. Right, so here we go. Quite happy with that. So sort of hidden, but sort of not. I mean, we got the zinc nuts back on it, these nuts. So happy to replace things with zinc because I've got like a whole bag of them there. I had to cut this out, but you'll still see part of it, which will be good. We need to just put this bar across it, do the same on the other side, tighten it all down, and then we're done. All right, so here we are, installed, nicely hidden. Pop the seats back, get it all in, and then show you what it looks like. Did actually cut this in half, annoyingly. So this is all jank ass, it looks like shit. So try and find another one of these, hopefully. We shall see. Anyway, we'll put it all back together and show you what it looks like. I'm really happy with this. I think this is nice. OEM Plus, just in sight. It'd be good if the whole thing was blue. I still don't understand why they do that. Weird. It's too warm for this. Right, all done. So, got some slight problems with clips and things like that. As you can see, this is all sort of wobbly, but not really a big deal. It's in as much as it could. I mean, this is pretty stiff actually, so that's what she said. This is pretty good. I'm happy with this. Yeah, not bad. I mean, this all needs to be replaced. This is way too heavy for what it is, and I don't want these. What are they, rip speed? Bloody rip speed speakers. I don't want any of this crap. That was a bit annoying. I don't want them in there either, so I should probably buy some more of them. I don't think that's standard. Pretty certain it's not. So, yeah, need to replace a few bits and pieces, but I'm really happy with that. So from front to rear, I think that's a job well done. Jasper's joining me. Pretty happy with it. I still got to like sort some bits and pieces out. Like I said, we'll see if it does work at all. I was going to pop out in the car, but I've got some other bits and pieces I need to attend to now, so I'm not going to be popping out in it. But I'll kind of let you know how I get on with it. The next video will actually be a point of view drive because I got a new GoPro head mount. So I'm going to do a point of view drive and just kind of let you know my thoughts. And I guess a personal view of what it's actually like to drive this car, because it's really good fun. Now, the rest of the stuff to install is pretty basic, like stuff inside. Don't think there's any more outside stuff for now. And then we're just going to enjoy the car for a little bit, and then probably take it apart again because I've got some other stuff to attend to. There's some slight, it's surface rust. The surface rust I need to grind down and spray over with some like oxide primer, zinc oxide primer and stuff like that. Nothing major. I don't know if I'll keep this car forever anyway, but I want to get it a little bit nicer. Anyway, I've talked bollocks. I'm going to enjoy my Sunday. I hope you have a great day. Cheers, guys. Take care.